Welcome back to Luxurious Car Info, where we dive deep into the history and beauty of iconic vehicles. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're going to take a detailed look at one of the most charming and revolutionary cars ever made, the 1968 Citroën 2CV. When we talk about automotive history, we often focus on luxury, performance, or advanced engineering, but sometimes, the most iconic cars are the ones that focus on practicality and simplicity. The Citroën 2CV is a perfect example of this. Introduced in 1948, the 2CV was designed to be an affordable, reliable, and efficient car for the rural French population. The 1968 model is a key milestone in its development, showcasing the practicality and character that made it a global icon. One of the most notable features of the 2CV is its simplicity. Under the hood, the 1968 Citroën 2CV came with a small 602cc two-cylinder engine, producing around 29 horsepower. Now you might think that's not much power, but the 2CV wasn't designed to be a speedster. It was designed for utility and comfort, especially in rural areas. With its top speed of around 65 mph, the 2CV could easily navigate the narrow French country roads, providing the perfect solution for farmers and families alike. But it's not just about practicality. The 1968 2CV had an unmistakable design. The body was constructed from lightweight corrugated steel panels, which helped keep the car both inexpensive and durable. The quirky, boxy design has a timeless charm, with its large headlights and distinctive rounded body. The 2CV was also known for its unique suspension system, which provided an exceptionally smooth ride, even on rough, uneven roads. This feature was ahead of its time and ensured that passengers were comfortable no matter where the road took them. Inside, the 2CV was surprisingly spacious for a small car. The minimalist interior featured simple bench seating, and its utilitarian design focused on function rather than luxury. Yet, despite its simplicity, the 2CV provided a driving experience that was as enjoyable as it was practical. The car's light steering, combined with its soft suspension, made it a joy to drive, even for those who weren't used to driving on more challenging terrains. Now, let's talk about the legacy of the Citroën 2CV. Over 5 million units were produced between 1948 and 1990, and it became a symbol of French ingenuity and practicality. Its impact on automotive design is still felt today, with many manufacturers incorporating elements of its simplicity and efficiency into modern vehicles. The 1968 model, in particular, stands out as a key point in the 2CV's evolution, offering a perfect balance between practicality, charm, and innovation. To sum it up, the 1968 Citroën 2CV is a car that continues to capture the hearts of car enthusiasts and collectors alike. Its quirky design, innovative features, and focus on practicality make it one of the most beloved cars in automotive history. Whether you're a fan of classic cars or just appreciate the beauty of simplicity, the 2CV will always hold a special place in the world of automobiles. Thanks for watching this episode of Luxurious Car Info. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow car lovers. Until next time, keep your engines running.